it's Logan here from Artech, and I am just making this video to show you guys the controls of Minecraft Java Edition, for those of you who are new to playing Minecraft on the computer. So first things first, we are going to start with movement. To move in Minecraft Java Edition, we are going to use the WASD keys on our keyboard. As you can see by this virtual keyboard that I have on the top left of your screen, I press W to go forward, I press S to go backwards, I press A to go left, and D to go right. I will also use my mouse to look around, and when I press W, my character will go wherever my mouse is pointing. You can jump in Minecraft by pressing on the space key. So the space key is the big long key at the bottom of your keyboard right here. By pressing the space key, you are able to jump up one block. However, it's only one block, so if you try to jump up to a height of 2 blocks, so right here you have 2 blocks that are on top of each other, if I try to jump up here, it won't let me. I can only jump up one block. Now, the next part is something that a lot of people have trouble with. I'm going to show you guys how to sprint. So in order to sprint, you are either going to quickly double tap the W key, as you can see I'm now running, or you can hold in the left control key down here and start walking, and then you will run. Feel free to take some time to practice this, as it is something that a lot of people do have some trouble with. In order to sneak, you are going to hold in the left shift key. What sneaking will do is it will make you walk a lot more slowly, but it will also prevent you from falling off whatever block you are standing on. So this can be useful when you're walking in tall places and like really high up places, like maybe up on that mountain, and you don't want to fall off the edge. Or if you're walking near lava and you don't want to fall into the lava. It will also let me build on the side of these blocks right here. So if I'm sneaking right at the edge of this block, I can start building blocks here. Some people like to call this bridging. Now we're going to talk about some important non-movement controls. So, in order to break a block, you are going to hit the left click on your mouse. So if I hit the left click on my mouse, you'll see this block is broken. If you're in survival mode and you try to break a block, you have to hold it in until the block is completely broken. And as you will see, when the block starts breaking, cracks will form until it's completely broken. In order to place a block, you are going to use your right click on your mouse. So if you see, if I right click right here, I will place the block right here. In order to know where your block is being placed, if you will see here, just going to quickly make it daytime. If you'll see, when I hover over a block, there will be a faint black outline over it. And whatever side I am looking at, that is where the block will be placed. So if I want to place the block on the side of this stone block right here, I will look at the side of it right here where I want to place it, and I will right click. Just like that. If you press the E key on your keyboard, you will open up your inventory. So the inventory is where you can see all of the items that your player is currently holding. Your inventory is also where you are able to customize what armor your player is wearing. So if you craft any armor, you can put it on right here. You can also craft some basic items. Now, if you don't know how to craft items, don't worry, because there is a little helpful book here that Minecraft gives you, and it lets you go through all the crafting recipes and see what they require. So let's say if I want to make a crafting table, I can find it right here, and it will tell me that I need 4 of any type of planks in order to make a crafting table. Now, if I want to hold any item in my inventory, I will have to first take it from here and put it down into this section right here. So this section at the bottom of your inventory is called your hotbar. Now these are all the items that you have set that your player can access quickly. So if you will see in the game, that bar at the bottom of the screen is your hotbar. And you can go between the different items of your hotbar by either using the scroll wheel of your mouse, or by using the number keys on your keyboard. And the number keys correspond to whatever slot it's in. So the first slot on the left is the 1 key, the second slot is 2, and then 3, and then so on. So if I want to hold that block of dirt, It's in the 6th spot in my inventory, so I can press the 6 key on my keyboard. And now I'm holding the dirt. Above your hotbar, you might have noticed some other things. So you'll see that there's like 10 hearts there, and then there's also a bunch of what looks like drumsticks next to it. So all of those hearts, that represents your player's health. So your player can lose health by taking damage from monsters, they can take damage from falling too high, and there's a bunch of other ways that your player can lose health, and you'll learn about them all when you start getting into Minecraft. The bar next to it that looks like the drumsticks, that is your hunger bar. So your player has to eat food in order to keep up its hunger. If your player loses all its hunger, then it will start losing hearts really quickly. So you want to make sure that you get food by killing animals and cooking their meat. Or, if you get food, you can eat it by holding in the right click until it's completely eaten. Just like that. And when your hunger is full, you will not be able to eat anymore. The bar right below the hearts and the hunger is called your experience bar. So, when you kill certain mobs, and when you mine certain things when you're mining, you will gain experience. And experience will it can either let you repair your tools at an anvil, or it will let you enchant your tools, but we will talk more about that in another video. There are some items in which your player is able to open up and do certain actions. So these items could be like chests, or crafting tables, or furnaces. Of course there are plenty more, but these are some of the most basic ones. So you can open up any of these blocks by right-clicking them. So if I look at this chest and right-click it, you will see that there is now another section of my inventory which I can put items in. So this right here is the chest inventory. If I want to put things in here, all I have to do is click on it, and as you see, if I click on it, I'm now picking it up, and I just have to drag it into any open spot into this chest. Alternatively, if I want to really quickly put a whole bunch of items into this chest, I can hold the left shift key on my keyboard, and then just click on them. So as you can see, now it instantly puts all those items that I just selected from my inventory into my chest. And of course, this also works the other way around. If you press the F key while holding an item, it will place that item into your player's other hand. Now this only works for some items, but some items will have different functionality if you hold them in your other hand. So for example, if I'm holding a torch, and if I'm holding a sword, I can place torches down while still holding this sword, and I don't have to switch the item in my inventory. So that could be useful if you're mining. If you are holding two different items, and you press the F key, they will just swap positions in your hand. If you are holding an item in your other hand, and you want to stop holding it in your other hand, go to a spot in your hotbar where there's nothing in it, and press the F key again, and then you'll be holding it in your right hand. Sometimes you might be required to give items to other players or other staff. If you are required to do that, just hold the item that you would like to drop and press the Q key, and the Q key will drop that item. If you want to drop, but as you can see, I have 63 steak right here, and if I hit Q, I'll only drop them one at a time. So if I wanted to drop a whole bunch of steak at once, I'll open up my inventory by pressing the E key. I will pick up my steak by clicking on them with the left click, and I will drag it outside of my inventory. And as you'll see, there is now a whole bunch of steak on the ground. Thank you guys for watching this quick video about the controls of Minecraft. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask me in class. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys in your Minecraft adventures. Take care.